Imagine standing in the middle of a major airport in 2026, watching a massive jet take off, yet hearing nothing but the rustle of wind against the fuselage. This isn't a dream, it's ionic propulsion. For centuries, we relied on pushing things back to move forward, oars, propellers, or fiery combustion. But today, we are completely rewriting the laws of physics. It started with a simple experiment at MIT back in 2018, where the first solid-state plane flew just 60 meters. Now, in 2026, this has evolved into something resembling the ion thrusters NASA used for the Dawn spacecraft in deep space. The only difference, we're using our atmosphere as fuel instead of xenon gas. We are ionizing the air, turning it into a stream of charged particles that rush at lightning speed, creating a propulsion that is dead silent. This tech is already appearing in silent surveillance drones by Lockheed Martin, and now we see it in commercial designs that look more like starships. No need for complex engine maintenance, and no need for millions of gallons of kerosene. This is organic flight in every sense. The question is, are you ready to trust an engine that no one can see and no one can hear? Let us know your thoughts on this cosmic shift.